Here are tips for using the Nikon Z30 as a content creator. First, make sure your gear is charged. I put my Z30 on the charger last night so that it has a full battery. Second, choose your focus mode. I set mine to AFF for full-time autofocus, which is the ideal setting for moving subjects. Set your frame size and frame rate. While you can go up to 4K quality while filming, I like to shoot on 1920 by 1080 30p because it's compatible with all social media platforms. Then I'll choose Auto Area AF People so that the Z30 will hone in on the face or eyes of a person it's focusing on. Third, choose your video shooting mode. In manual, you have options for customizing the shot to your exact liking, but you can use auto if you're more comfortable with it. I don't know why people say not to do that. I film on auto all the time. This camera knows what it's doing. Next, I'm going to set up my shot. Luckily, I have my entire setup on wheels so that it's easy to move around, and my Z30 is the star of the show. Because the video I'm filming is a tutorial, meaning it's going to alternate between me and the computer, I think I like a side angle like this. As soon as I finish filming, I back up the footage, I organize everything on a hard drive, and I create A-roll and B-roll folders so that when I go to edit, future me is happy and organized. And that's my entire process. What does your process look like?